Alright people, we've got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way.
So ladies and gents, we are about to unbox Blue Yeti USB microphone, the silver one by the way. But bear this in mind, this microphone is a free condenser capsule microphone. If you have loads of noise around you, this is not gonna be for you. Okay, you need a dynamic microphone. Other than that, I'm gonna be showing you tools there and how to use this mic and how not to use it. It comes with 4 different pattern modes, by the way, which are stereo mode, cardioid mode, omnidirectional mode, and bidirectional mode. It's pretty dope. You know, if you're a YouTuber and you want to step up your game, this is definitely for you. If you're a musician, vocalist, podcaster, and so on and so forth. Guys, make sure to like the video, share the video, sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Without further ado, let's get down to business. Let's do it, people. Let's unbox this thing. What's inside the box? That's what we're here for. Let's do it. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave more details on screen in case you need it. And Mr. Robot's gonna read the product description for you. Let me see if I can just wrap this up. Yeah, so here is the Yeti. Let me pop this thing up. Remove the plastic. That's what the box looks like. Alright, enough of the box now. Let's unbox this thing. Let's see what's inside the box. What's inside the box? That's what we're here for. Let's do it. This gotta be your USB cable. Alright. The USB cable. Quick guide. Put it on the side for now. Well, I like the packaging. The packaging is pretty still, secure, you know. Very, very nice. Okay. Oh my, whoa, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. With this, you're definitely gonna step up your game. This thing looks beautiful, beautiful. Get it out. Pretty hard, bro. Okay. Finally got it out. So this is what the Yeti looks like. Blue Yeti. This is the silver one. Okay. I'm gonna leave all the links right down below and on screen, as I already said. You know, okay. So inside the box, this is what we have inside the box. Okay, your user guide, the microphone itself, and your USB cable to power it up. This is gonna go into your computer, your Mac or PC. All right. This thing is made out of aluminium. This part is plasticish, I think. The knobs are plastic. Okay, but the rest of the base and the rest of it is aluminium. This is the back of oh no, this is more of the front of the microphone. Gonna show you that in details. Look at the curves. Check it out. Check out these curves. This looks fantastic. So as you can see, this comes with a base that will sit on your desk, okay? But really and truly, you want to take this off, take the mic off the base, okay, and use a stand. If you don't want it to pick up all the sounds of your desk, you're gonna have to remove this and use a stand instead. I'll leave all the links right down below, okay? And to use it for the best usage in terms of recording, vocal recording, you want to point this dial to the heartbeat here. This thing that looks like the heart, this is exactly where you want it to be. And you see how the gain is low right now? You want to start recording like this, just to double check things out. Okay, because a lot of people are making the mistake of recording like this on high gain. This is not going to be good because you're going to have loads of distortion and all the noises that is around you. If you're not in a quiet room, if you put your gain like this, it's going to be terrible. So start off with the lowest gain, okay? That is one very important tip that you need to bear in mind. So for now, this is what it is. The patterns, you need to be going for the heart pattern, the thing that looks like the heart. Keep your gain low. This is going to allow you to record correctly. Okay, play with the gain level, but please keep it down as much as possible. All right, this is for the vocals. Okay, if you're gonna have an interview and so on and so forth, probably you may want to use this, but we'll go over that another time. But the most important thing is, if you are by yourself and you're doing your own vocals and so on and so forth, this is what you want to be using. YouTube vocals, all right? This is what you want to be using. Let's get that short. Let's go to the front of the mic. Then we have the mute button here, all right? We've got a mute button. You know exactly what that means. Volume button. You know also what that means. That's for your headphones, okay? Beneath the mic, we have a USB connector, okay? This is going to allow you to connect your microphone to your desktop or laptop or Mac or PC, okay? Your headphone goes in there. That's usually where your mic stand will go, okay? Another thing I should advise you to get is the pop. You want to get a pop. All right, you want to get a pop filter for this if you get yourself a stand. That's very important to have a clean vocals, recordings, okay? So the stand will go somewhere in here. Let's talk a little bit about the top of the mic, okay? So this mic with the stand will fool you to think that your mic must be in this direction. No, it shouldn't be in this direction. The direction for all recordings should be as so, okay? You want to be aiming at the blue Yeti, this part, okay? You want your mic, let me put it down for you to get a little bit where I'm in. This is how you want your mic to be. Upward position, okay? Then you can record accordingly. If you go like this, the sound is going to be shooting up. The sound is going to be shooting up, and that is not going to be helping you out. The correct way of recording, since this is a condenser, you want to be using like this, okay? You should try a couple of things with this mic on yourself. You'll discover a lot, okay? So ladies and gents, boys and girls, this is pretty much the end of this video. The unboxing of Blue Yeti microphone, okay? This mic is pretty dope. I've not said it enough, but it's definitely dope. It's something that you want to consider in your armada, okay, of recording. This is gonna help you out a lot. So just keep that advice. It's free. If you wanna follow them, let me know how this goes out for you, because a lot of people are still making the mistake till now. I've seen a couple of videos, I've seen a couple of comments, so I'm just help out quickly. So if this was helpful and useful to you, please make sure to share the video. If it's your first time out here, sub to the channel, like the video, talk among yourselves, tell your friends and tell your mates about what we do out here. We love you all here, and we love your support. We shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it. Bang, 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 bang. Peace out. Thumbs up all the way through, guys. Keep it late, keep it safe, as usual. You know already what time it is. Let's do it.